Well, students, in the previous class, we discussed what is direct and indirect speech. We also learned the conversion rules as per the reporting verb and then the conversion rules of present tenses in indirect speech. Today, we will discuss the rules of changing past tenses. So, if the direct speech is given in the simple past tense, it is changed into past perfect tense. For example, he said Isha arrived on Monday. Arrived is Isha arrived on Monday. So this sentence is in the simple past tense. A second form of verb is used here. Okay. So when simple past tense is changed into indirect speech, then we change it into past perfect tense. He said that Isha had arrived on Monday. So here you see the difference of these two sentences, how direct speech is changed into indirect speech. Okay, if the direct speech is given in the simple past tense, then the indirect speech would go in the past perfect tense. Okay, the next, if the tense is given, if for the direct speech in the past continuous, then it is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Okay, for instance, we were living in Islamabad, they told me. Now were living, so it is indicating that this is a past continuous tense, were living. So when it is changed into indirect speech, then we use past perfect continuous tense. Okay, now the indirect speech would be, they told me that they had been living in Islamabad. Now see the difference. uh, Direct speech in past continuous tense, indirect speech in the past perfect continuous tense. Okay, I hope you understand.